In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows Update failed to install with the error code 0x80070643. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now here I have these commands. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. Control C to copy the first command and then Control V and hit enter. Then copy the second command. Control C to copy, and then Control V, hit enter. Third command, Control C to copy, and then right click and hit enter or Control V. Change service config success. So for the last command, hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then go to the Windows search bar for the step 2 and type services. Click on services under the best match. Then we have to simply scroll down and look for Windows Event Collector. So scroll down to the W section. Here it is. Right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. Click on the start button, apply, and then OK. You can also click on the restart button on the left pane. And we need to look for the Windows Event Log. Right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. Make sure this is running. So click on the start button, apply, and then OK. Click also on the restart button on the left pane. Scroll down and look for the Windows Update. Right click, select properties. Startup type, that should be automatic. Click on start, apply, and then OK, and restart your Windows once, and that will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.